Shlok 37 of chapter 1.
तस्मान्नार्हा वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव.
Tasmat hantum swabandhavan, dhartarashtran narha vayam. This is why killing our relatives, the sons of the capitalist Dhritarashtra's, doesn't befit us. He Madhav hatva swajnam. Because, O Baba, the husband of Mother Parvati, by killing our relatives, katham syam sukhina. How will we be happy? Tasmat hantum swabandhavan, dhartarashtran narha vayam. He Madhav hatva swajnam katham syam sukhina. Interpretation. This is why killing our own seed form and root form relatives of divine births, who have converted to become Vidharmi or Videshi, the sons of the capitalist Dhritarashtra's, who have seized the entire wealth and property of the nation, doesn't befit us. Because, O Baba, the husband of Mother Parvati, by killing our relatives who have become our brothers, how will we be happy in the death of having doubt in the religious fathers?